Dear students, Sat Shri Akal. In today's video, we are presenting a video of class 7, subject Computer Science. In this video, we have revised lesson 1 to lesson 8 by answering all the questions according to the syllabus. So let's get started. We will now learn about multiple choice question in lesson number 1. And the first question is, to use number pad, dash should be kept on, and their options are num lock, caps lock, scroll lock, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is, to use number pad, num lock should be kept on. And second one is, in home row, dash key is pressed with the little finger of left hand. And the options are A, S, D, F. And the right answer is, in home row, A key is pressed with the little finger of left hand. And third one is, in home row, dash key is pressed with the middle finger of right hand. And the options are J, K, L, and the last one is semicolon. And the right answer is, in home row, K key is pressed with the middle finger of right hand. And the fourth one is, in second row, dash key is pressed with the ring finger of left hand. And the options are Q, W, E, and the last one is R. And the right answer is, in second row, W key is pressed with the ring finger of left hand. And fifth one is, in third row, dash key is pressed with index finger of right hand. And the options are B and M, and the last one is M, N. And the right answer is, in third row, M and key is pressed with index finger of right hand. So now we will learn about fill in the blank in lesson number 1, and the first one is, for typing purpose, a keyboard can be divided in dash part. And the answer is, for typing purpose, a keyboard can be divided in 2 parts. And second one is, dash is the technique for typing with all finger without looking at keyboard. And the right answer is, touch typing is the technique for typing with all finger without looking at keyboard. And third one is, dash finger is used to press spacebar during typing. And the right answer is, thumb finger is used to press spacebar during typing. And the fourth one is, dash key is used to go to new line during typing. And the right answer is, enter key is used to go to new line during typing. So now we will learn about short answer type questions. So the first question is, what is touch typing? And the answer is, touch typing is a technique that allows us to learn step-by-step typing with all finger without looking at the keyboard. If we keep looking for the keys on the keyboard while typing, our typing speed will be much slower as a result. And the second question is, describe the position of our fingers on home row keys. And the answer is, on the left hand, A letter should be on little finger, S letter on the right ring finger, and the D letter should be on the middle finger, and F and G letter will be pressed with index finger. And on the right hand side, semicolon should be pressed with the little finger, L with the ring finger, K with the middle finger, and J and H letter should be pressed with index finger. And the third question is, what are the tips to improve typing speed? And the answer is, following are the tips to improve the typing speed. And the first point is, our hand or finger position should always be in home position. We must start from and return to this position. And second one is, we should focus on accuracy, not speed. Third one is, don't look at the keyboard. Fourth one is, be steady, even pace, and strive for accuracy. And the fifth one is, as we tap each key, we should say its letter to ourselves. And the fourth question is, while typing number from numeric keypad, which hand we should use? Explain the position of your finger on numeric keypad. And the answer is, numeric keypad is present on the right side of the keyboard. We have to use only one hand to work with its keys. For using these keys, finger should be used as below. The first one is, index finger is used for 1, 4, and 7 keys. Second one is, middle finger is used for 2, 5, and 8 keys. Third one is, ring finger is used for 3, 6, and 9 keys. And fourth one is, little finger is used for enter, plus, and minus keys. And sixth one is, thumb is used for 0 key. So now we will learn about long answer type questions. So first question is, explain the proper posture while typing. And the answer is, following points should be taken care for proper posture while typing. And the first one is we should sit up straight directly in front of keyboard. And second one is our feet must be flat on floor. Third one is monitor should be at our eye level. And fourth one is our eyes should be on copy or monitor. And fifth one is our fingers must be curved and upright over home keys. And second one is explain following keys. The first one is enter key. It is used to move down the cursor to a new line. Use our right little finger for the enter key. Second one is backspace key. It deletes one character to the left of the blinking cursor. Use our right little finger for the backspace key. And the third one is shift key. It is present on both the sides of keyboard. It is used to write capital letters or to write the letter printed on the upper side of the key. So now we will learn about multiple choice question in lesson number 2. And our first question is Window Explorer has two panes. These are dash and dash, and their options are first, second, left, right, top, bottom, and file folder. And the right answer is Window Explorer has two panes. These are left and right. And second one is dash view tells about size, type, and date of modified of a file. And their options are details, styles, list, and content. And the right answer is detail views tells about size, type, and date of modified of a file. And third one is dash command is used to move an item from its place. And their options are copy, paste, cut, and last one is delete. And the right answer is cut command is used to move an item from its place. And fourth one is a dash is a combination of picture, color, and sound on our computer. And their options are background, desktop, screensaver, and the last one is theme. And the right answer is a theme is a combination of picture, color, and sound on our computer. And the fifth one is a dash is a software program that becomes activated after the computer is not in use for a specified duration of time. And their options are background, desktop, screensaver, and the last one is theme. And the right answer is a screensaver is a software program that becomes activated after the computer is not in use for a specified duration of time. So now we will learn about very short answer type questions. So the first question is which window application is used for management of files? And their answer is Window Explorer application is used for management of files. And second one is what do we call a folder inside another folder? And it is called subfolder. And third one is what is the method of opening Window Explorer? And the answer is Window key plus E key is to be pressed for opening a Window Explorer. And fourth question is write the name of any default library of window. And the right answer is document folder. And fifth one is which option is used to make a duplicate of an item? And the answer is copy and paste option is used to make a duplicate of an item. So now we will learn about fill in the blank in lesson number 2. And the first one is the shortcut key to create a new folder is dash. And the right answer is the shortcut key to create a new folder is Ctrl plus Shift plus N. And second one is the shortcut key to rename a file or folder is dash. And the right answer is the shortcut key to rename a file or folder is called F2. And third one is deleted files or folder moves to dash. And the right answer is deleted files or folder moves to recycle bin. And the fourth one is a dash is a combination of picture, color, and sound on our computer. And the right answer is a theme is a combination of picture, color, and sound on our computer. So now we will learn about short answer type question. So first question is how many panes are available in Window Explorer? Write their names. And the answer is there are two panes in Window Explorer which are mentioned below. The first one is left pane or navigation pane, and second one is right pane. And the second question is write the name of different part of Window Explorer. And the answer is following are the name of different part of Window Explorer are. The first one is title bar, second one is back and forward button, third one is address bar, fourth one is search box, fifth one is menu bar, sixth one is toolbar, seventh one is status bar. And the third question is define file and folder. And the answer is a file is the smallest unit to store data. To manage and organize file in the computer system, we use folder. Folders are also called directories. A folder may contain other folder and files. So now we will learn about long answer type question in lesson number 2. The first question is what is Window Explorer? Give different ways to open Window Explorer. And the answer is Window Explorer is also known as File Explorer. It is used to access or to work with files and folders that are available in our computer system. The following are some common methods to open Window Explorer. The first one is press Window plus E key together. Second one is Window key, then All Program, then Accessory, then Window Explorer. And the third one is press Window key and then type Explorer in the search box. And the second question is explain different views of Window Explorer. And the answer is Window Explorer provides a different view to have a look on the item available in it. So following is the list of views available in Window Explorer. The first one is small, medium, large and extra larger icon view. Second one is tile icon view. Third one is list icon view. Fourth one is detail icon view. Fifth one is content icon view. The third question is what are the options to customize the desktop in Windows environment? And the answer is with the help of personalization dialog box in Windows environment, we can customize the desktop. It provides the following option to change the appearance of desktop. The first one is themes. It provides a combination of picture, color and sound on our computer. And second one is desktop background. Desktop background primarily consists of wallpaper. A wallpaper can be a background pattern or a picture which can be changed using this option. Third one is screensaver. A screensaver basically consists of animated images. Screensavers were originally designed to help prevent phosphorus coating of older monitor from being burned. And fourth question is how can we copy item using a send to option? So send to option is an easy way to send or copy one or more item to some new location. To use this option, performs the following step. The first one is select the item that we want to copy. And then second point, right click on the item. It will show a shortcut or property menu. And the third one is click on the send to option from this menu. Now a sub menu will appear showing the different location for sending the selected item. Click on the desired location. And the fifth question is write about screensaver. A screensaver is a software program. It gets activated when computer system is not used for a specified duration of time. A screensaver basically consists of animated images. Screensavers were originally designed to help prevent phosphorus coating of older monitor from being burned. So now we will learn about multiple choice question in lesson number 3. And the first question is Control plus S is used to dash and the options are save, open, new, close. And the right answer is Control plus S is used to save. And the second one is below the ruler, the large area is called the dash and the options are text area, open area, close area or all of these. And the right answer is below the ruler, the large area is called the text area. And third one is there are two scroll bar in a Word document, dash and dash, and their options are horizontal, vertical, left, right, upper bar, lower bar, or none of these. And the right answer is there are two scroll bar in a Word document, horizontal and vertical. The fourth question is to open a new document, press dash key on the keyboard. And the options are Control plus O, Control plus N, Control plus S, Control plus G. And the right answer is to open a new document, press Control plus N keys on the keyboard. And the fifth one is the dash view shows the document as it will look when it is printed. And their options are print layout, draft, outline, and the last one is full size. And the right answer is the print layout view shows the document as it will look when it is printed. So now we learn about fill in the blank, and the first one is dialog box launcher option is present at the bottom right corner of dash, and their options are, and the right answer is the dialog box launcher is present at the bottom right corner of group. And the second one is name of the topmost bar of Word window is dash, and the answer is name of the topmost bar of Word window is title bar. And the third one is dash view of MS Word display the document in the same way as we get it after printing. And their answer is print layout view of MS Word display the document in the same way as we get it after printing. And fourth one is dash is the shortcut key to create a new document, and the right answer is Ctrl plus N is the shortcut key to create a new document. And fifth one is dash layout view shows the outline of a document, and the right answer is outline layout view shows the outline of a document. So now we will learn about short answer type questions, and the first question is what is a word processor? So word processor are application software which can create a variety of documents and later using the software. WordPad, MS Word, etc. are the example of some commonly used word processor software. And the second one is write the name of some word processing software, and the answer is following are the some of the important word processing software are. The first one is MS Word, second one is WordPerfect, third one is WordPad, fourth one is WordStar. And the third question is how to start the MS Word, and the answer is MS Word can be started using the following steps. The first one is open the start menu, type the word in the search box, and then press the enter key. And the fourth question is write the name of different part of MS Word window. So following are the main component of the MS Word window. The first one is title bar, second one is ribbons and tab, third one is text area, fourth one is status bar, fifth one is scroll bar, sixth one is ruler. And the fifth question is define the text area, and the answer is text area is an important component of MS Word. The large area that appears below the ruler is called the text area. We use this area to create our document. The blinking line in it is called cursor. So now we will learn about long answer type question in lesson number 3. And the first question is explain the special feature of MS Word. So following are some key feature of MS Word. The first one is we can enter text anywhere in Word document. Number 2, we can set the margin of pages as per our requirement in the Word document. And third one is we can easily find any word or text in MS Word document. And the fourth one is we can change the font and style of text as required in the Word document. And the fifth one is we can easily set the header and footer of pages in the Word document. Sixth one is we can check and correct spelling and grammar related error in the Word document. Question number 2, explain document views in MS Word. So following are the different views for viewing document in MS Word. The first one is print layout view. This view will show the document exactly as it appears after it is printed. Second one is full screen layout view. This view displays the document in full screen so that the document can be read easily. Third one is web layout view. This view will show the document exactly as it would appear in a web browser in the form of a web page. Fourth one is outline view. This view shows the outline of the document. Fifth one is draft view. Word document can be edited quickly with the help of this view. And third question is how to create and save a new document in MS Word. So following are the steps to create and save a new file in Word. The steps for creating new file are, the first one is press the shortcut key Ctrl plus N to create a new file. So steps to save the new file, press the Ctrl plus S shortcut key to save the file. Save as dialog box will open. Type the name of the file in this dialog box, then click on the save button. So now we will learn about multiple choice question in lesson number 4. And the first question is to select a whole word, dash click on it. And the options are single, double, triple, and the last one is none. And the right answer is to select a whole word, double click on it. And second one is the dash group of home tab allow us to change our text font style, size, color, and many other elements. And their options are font, paragraph, style, and last one is editing. And the right answer is the font group of home tab allow us to change our text, font style, size, color, and many other elements. And third one is dash means draw a horizontal line underneath the letters. And the options are bold, italic, underline, and the last one is none. And the right answer is underline means draw a horizontal line underneath the letters. The fourth one is dash option means that the text is shown like it was marked with a highlighter pen. And the options are font color, text highlighter color, and the last one is all of above. And the right answer is text highlight color means that the text is shown like it was marked with a highlighter pen. And the fifth one is after inserting a shape, a new tab will appear which is called dash. And the options are drawing tool format, shape tool format, drawing shape format, and the last one is none. And the right answer is after inserting a shape, a new tab will appear which is called drawing tools format. So now we will learn about write the shortcut keys for the following. The first one is to cut the selected text, Ctrl plus X shortcut key used. Second one is to paste the copied or cut content, Ctrl plus V shortcut key used. Third one is to increase the font size, Ctrl plus right square bracket is used. Fourth one is to underline the text, Ctrl plus U shortcut key used. Fifth one is to change the case of selected text, Shift plus F3 key is used. Sixth one is for center alignment, Ctrl plus E shortcut key is used. Seventh one is for double line spacing, Ctrl plus Shift plus D shortcut key can be used. Eighth one is to replace the text, Ctrl plus H shortcut key can be used. Ninth one is to undo the last operation, Ctrl plus Z shortcut key can be used. And 10th one is to insert a line break, Ctrl plus Enter shortcut key can be used. So now we will learn about short answer type question in lesson number 4. And the first question is write about undo command. So it reverses the action that we have performed while editing. If we make an error in our document, then we can correct it by click on the undo command. It will remove the last thing we did. Ctrl plus Z shortcut key is used to perform undo operation in MS Word. Undo command is also available on the quick access toolbar. And second question is which are basic 3 font style. So 3 basic font styles are, the first one is bold, second one is italic, and third one is underline. And the third question is what are header and footer in MS Word? And the answer is the header and footer are the important parts of our document. Header appears in the top margin of our document while the footer appears in the bottom margin of the page. The header and footer usually include information such as page number, date, author's name, and so on. The text in the header and footer appears on every page of the document. Insert tab is used to insert header and footer. And the fourth question is how many change cases options are available in MS Word? Write their names. So there are 5 change case options in MS Word which are given below. The first one is sentence case, second one is lowercase, third one is uppercase, fourth one is capitalize each word, fifth one is toggle case. And the fifth question is how many alignments are available in MS Word? Write their names and shortcut keys. And the answer is alignment determines the appearance and orientation of the edges of a paragraph. There are 4 types of alignment in Word which are as follows. The first one is left alignment and Ctrl plus L shortcut key can be used. Second one is center alignment and Ctrl plus E shortcut key can be used. And third one is right alignment and Ctrl plus R shortcut key can be used. And fourth one is justified alignment and Control plus J shortcut key can be used. And the sixth question is, how can we insert page break in MS Word? So page break are used in MS Word to insert a new page into a document. The shortcut key Control plus Enter can be used to insert a page break in MS Word. Page break can also be inserted using the Insert tab. So now we will learn about long answer type question, and the first question is, write about clipboard group option of Home tab in MS Word. So the clipboard group is the first group in the Home tab of Microsoft Office. This group has 4 options. The first one is paste. It is used to paste the copied or cut content. Second one is copy. It is used to copy the selected content. Third one is cut. It is used to move or cut the selected content. And fourth one is format painter. It is used to copy the formatting applied on the selected text. And the second one is write about the options available in font group of Home tab in MS Word. So the font group of Home tab is used to format document text. Formatting helps us to change the look of our document. The main option of this group are, first one is font face and font size. Second one is font style like bold, italic, underline. Third one is font color. Fourth one is text highlight color. And fifth one is text effect. And the last one is change text case. And the third question is, what is word art? How will you insert word art in a Word document? And the answer is, word art is used to insert special text effect in Word document. When we enter word art into our document, it becomes an object. Word art is used to decorate documents or to draw special attention from the viewers. We can insert word art into our document by clicking on the word art option in the text group of the Insert tab. So now we will learn about multiple choice question in lesson number 5. And the first question is, after selecting a picture, dash tab appears and their options are format, page layout, insert, and last one is view. And the right answer is, after selecting a picture, format tab appears. Second one is, for text wrapping we can use dash option, and the options are square, tight, behind text, and all of these. And the right answer is, for text wrapping we can use all of these options. And the third one is, to remove any unwanted part of picture, dash option is used, and the options are crop, rotate, group, and compress. And the right answer is, to remove any unwanted part of picture, crop option is used. And fourth one is, which of the following option is not available in the adjust group of format tab? And the options are correction, artistic effect, remove background, and the last one is picture styles. And the right answer is, picture style option is not available in the adjust group of format tab. And the fifth one is, we can find the number of words in the dash bar at the bottom of the window. And the options are taskbar, status bar, title bar, and the last one is scroll bar. And the right answer is, we can find the number of words in the status bar at the bottom of the window. So now we will learn about very short answer type questions. So the first question is, which option split the text into 2 or more columns? And the answer is page layout, then column option. And second one is, which page orientation set the page in horizontal direction? And the answer is landscape page orientation set the page in horizontal direction. And the third question is, which option is used to group 2 or more images together so that they can be treated as a single object? And the right answer is format, then group option. And the fourth question is, which option can be used to change the color of a picture in MS Word? And the right answer is format, then color option can be used to change the color of a picture in MS Word. And the fifth question is, which option is used to count word in MS Word? And the answer is word count option is used to count words in MS Word. So now we will learn about fill in the blank in lesson number 5. And the first question is, page orientation is of dash type, and the answer is, and the right answer is page orientation is of 2 types. And the second one is, dash mistake is shown with red wavy line under the wrong word. And the right answer is, spelling mistake is shown with red wavy line under the wrong word. And the third one is, dash are the blank space around the edges of the page. And the right answer is, margin are the blank space around the edges of the page. And the fourth one is dash are text or picture that appear behind document text. And their right answer is watermark are text or picture that appear behind document text. So now we will learn about short answer type question. And the first question is, what are margins? And the answer is, page margins are the spaces left around the edges of a page. We can insert header, footer and page number in the margin. To set the margin of the document, we can use the margin option in the page layout tab. Margin can be set at all the four sides of the document: top, bottom, left and right. And second question is, what do you mean by compressed picture? And their answer is, compressed picture is used to reduce the size of images in our document. It may reduce the overall size of our document. MS Word reduces the resolution of images to compress them and erases the cropped area of the images. The option to compress images is available in the picture tools, then format tab. And the third question is, write about reset picture. And the answer is, if we make any changes or do formatting in a picture in MS Word and later we want to remove the changes or formatting made on this picture, then we can do this with the help of reset picture option. The reset picture option is available in the picture tools and format tab. And the fourth question is, what is crop option? So unnecessary part of the selected image can be removed using the crop option in MS Word. This option is available in the picture tools, then picture tools under the format tab. After clicking this option, crop handles are made on the edges of the selected image, which can be easily used to crop the image. And the fifth question is, give the name of two-page orientation in MS Word. The orientation option sets the vertical or horizontal direction of the page of our document. Following are the name of two-page orientation in MS Word. The first one is portrait orientation. It means setting the page in vertical direction. And the second one is landscape orientation. It means setting the page in horizontal direction. And the sixth question is, write the name of various options available in adjust group of picture tools and format tab. So the first group in the format tab is the adjust group. It has the following main option. The first one is correction, second one is color, third one is artistic effect, fourth one is compressed picture, fifth one is change picture, sixth one is reset picture and seventh one is remove background. So now we will learn about long answer type question in lesson number 5. And the first question is, what is watermark? Write the steps to add a watermark in a Word document. So a watermark is a text or image that appears at the background of the document text. It is usually used to mark the status of a document like draft or confidential. Here are the steps for inserting a watermark in MS Word. The first one is click on the page layout tab. Second one is click on the watermark option in the page background group. And the third one is select the watermark according to your requirement. And the second question is, write the steps to run a spelling and grammar check. And the answer is, spelling and grammar check feature is an important feature of MS Word. Using this option, we can make our document error-free. In MS Word, spelling errors are indicated by a red wavy underline, while grammatical errors are represented by a green wavy underline. MS Word also provides the ability to correct these errors. Spelling and grammar option in the review tab can be used for this purpose. Error can also be corrected by opening the spelling and grammar dialog box using the shortcut key F7. And the third question is, explain the steps to print a document. So when our document is complete, we can print it using a printer. Here are the steps to print the document. The first one is click on the file menu or tab. Second one is click on the print option. A print pane will appear. Third one is select the option for printing as required, such as range of pages, number of copies to be printed, etc. And fourth one is click on the print button. So now we will learn about multiple choice question in lesson number 6. So our first question is, dash key is used to move the cursor in the next adjoining cell of a table. And the options are Control, Shift, Tab, and the last one is Home. And the right answer is Tab key is used to move the cursor in the next adjoining cell of a table. And the second question is that the table button is present on the dash tab, and their options are Home, Layout, Insert, and last one is View. And the right answer is the table option is present on the Insert tab. And third question is we can change the width of a column by selecting the dash button in the table group. And the options are Select, View, Grid Line, Property, or none of these. And the right answer is we can change the width of a column by selecting the Property button in the table group. And fourth one is a dash consists of a number of columns and rows. And the options are Document, Table, View, and the last one is Data. And the right answer is a table consists of a number of columns and rows. And the fifth one is a dash is an intersection of column and rows. And the options are Cell, Table, View, and the last one is Data. And the right answer is a cell is an intersection of column and rows. So now we will learn about very short answer type question. The first question is which key is used to move the cursor to the next cell in a table? And the right answer is Tab key. The second one is intersection of a column and row is called, and the right answer is cell. Third one is which group of layout tab contain the split cell option, and the right answer is merge cell. Fourth one is which option can be used to join two or more cell, and the right answer is merge cell. So now we will learn about fill in the blank in lesson number 6. So our first question is dash provide a convenient way of writing data in rows and columns, and the right answer is table provide a convenient way of writing data in rows and columns. And second one is create table options are available in the table group of dash tab, and the right answer is create table option are available in the table group of insert tab. And the third one is dash a cell means to divide a cell into two or more cells, and the right answer is splitting a cell means to divide a cell into two or more cells. And the fourth one is we can change the size of row, column, and dash using the property button. And the right answer is we can change the size of row, column, and cell using the property button. So now we will learn about short answer type question in lesson number 6. So the first question is define table. And the answer is table are an easy way to write data in rows and columns. Tables are often used to present data in the organized form. The table is made up of a combination of rows and columns. Second one is write the name of options for inserting a table in Word document. And the answer is the following are the different ways to insert a table into a Word document. The first one is using the table button. Second one is using the insert table option. Third one is using the draw table option. And the third question is what is the use of split cell option, and the answer is splitting a cell in a table means dividing it into two or more cells. The option to split the cell is available in the layout tab of table tool. And the fourth question is what is the use of merge cell option, and the answer is merge cell means to combine two or more cells in a table to form a single cell. The option to merge cell is available in the layout tab of table tools. And the fifth question is how will you enter data in table cells, and the answer is click on the cell in which you want to enter data. Now type the data in the cell. Use the tab key or the right arrow key to move to the next cell of the table. Similarly, use shift plus tab key or left arrow to move from any cell to the previous cell. So now we will learn about long answer type question. And our first question is how do you insert a table in your document? Explain any method briefly. So there are several ways to insert a table into a document. Following is an easy way to insert a table in MS Word document. The first one is click on the table button in the insert tab. Number 2, click on the insert table option from the drop down menu. Number 3, the insert table dialog box appears. Fourth one is enter the number of columns and rows as required. And the fifth one is click on the OK button. And second question is explain properties button in layout tab. So when we click a table in the Word document, Layout tab will appear. Now click on the Property button that is available in the table group. It opens a dialog box. Using this dialog box, we can perform the following main tasks on the tables. The first one is set the alignment of the table. Second one is change the height of the table rows. Third one is change the width of the table column. Fourth one is we can change the size of cell, etc. So now we will learn about multiple choice question in lesson number 7. So the first question is multimedia is a combination of two words dash and dash, and the options are image, sound, audio, video, multimedia, hardware, software. And the right answer is multimedia is a combination of two words multi and media. Second one is animation is of two types. These are dash and dash, and the options are analog digital, static hyper, raster bitmap, and the last one is path frame. And the right answer is animation is of two types. These are path and frame. Third question is requirement of multimedia are dash and dash, and the options are image, sound, analog digital, hardware, software, and the last one is multimedia. And the right answer is requirement for multimedia are hardware and software. And the fourth one is input devices consist of dash and dash, and the options are monitor, printer, RAM, hard disk, keyboard, mouse, and the last one is hardware, software. And the right answer is input devices consist of keyboard and mouse. And the fifth one is in multimedia text is of dash and dash type, and the options are analog digital, raster bitmap, static hyper, and the last one is path frame. And the right answer is in multimedia text is of static and hyper type. Now we will learn about fill in the blank. First fill in the blank is a video can be classified into dash type, and the right answer is a video can be classified into two types. The second one is there are dash type of text, and the right answer is there are two types of text. And third one is path and frame are the type of dash, and the right answer is path and frame are the type of animation. And fourth one is PNG stand for, and the right answer is PNG stand for portable network graphics. So now we will learn about short answer type questions. So first question is what is an animation? And the answer is animation is an important component of multimedia. It shows motion effect on static images or text. There are two main types of animation, path animation and frame animation. PowerPoint and Flash are example of commonly used animation software. Second one is what is video? And the answer is video is an important component of multimedia. In multimedia, video is used to represent information in much a better way. The video can be played with the motion picture as well as sound. So there are usually two types of video. The first one is analog and second one is digital video. And third question is what is multimedia conferencing? And the answer is multimedia conferencing is also called video conferencing. This is an important application area of multimedia. Using it, we can have face-to-face conversation with people living at distant places. So now we will learn about long answer type questions. So first question is what is multimedia? Explain the component of multimedia. So the word multimedia is a combination of the two words multi and media. Multi means two or more and media means medium. Thus multimedia is a technology in which information is distributed using a variety of medium. The following are major components of multimedia. The first one is text. So written information is called text. Second one is sound. Sound helps us to explain an idea clearly. Third one is animation. It is the motion effect on static images or text. Fourth one is images. Images are an essential part of multimedia. And fifth one is video. Video contains motion picture as well as sound. And the second question is what are the requirements for multimedia? The basic requirements for multimedia are hardware and software. These are as follows. The first one is hardware requirement. The first one is input device, output device, and storage device software requirement are. These are used to modify and manage the element of multimedia. For example, Adobe Director, Media Blender, Multimedia Builder, etc. And the third question is, what is multimedia presentation? What should we keep in mind before preparing multimedia presentation? So a topic can be presented effectively using multimedia presentation. Text, sound, video, animation, and picture are the important component of a multimedia presentation. Following are some of the points that we should keep in mind before preparing a multimedia presentation. The first one is text should we keep minimum. Second one is sound quality should be good. Third one is the user should be able to use the keyboard and mouse. And the fourth one is it should be small in size. And the fourth question is write down application of multimedia. So multimedia is used in many fields. Some of the important application area of multimedia are given below. The first one is multimedia is used in the field of education. Second one is multimedia is used to represent the model of human body in medical science. Third one is multimedia is used in the field of entertainment. And fourth one is it is used to inform customer at railway station, bank, etc. Fifth one is it is used for face-to-face communication with people living far away. So now we will learn about multiple choice question in lesson number 8. The first question is primary memory is also called dash, and the options are internal memory, external memory, physical memory, and the last one is auxiliary memory. And the right answer is primary memory is also called internal memory. And the second one is dash memory is not a read-only memory. And the options are ROM, PROM, EPROM, and the last one is RAM. And the right answer is RAM memory is not a read-only memory. And the third one is dash is not a portable storage device. And the options are external hard disk, pen drive, hard disk drive, and the last one is memory card. And the right answer is hard disk drive is not a portable storage device. And fourth one is the memory is divided into a number of small parts called dash. And the options are cell, area, intersection, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is the memory is divided into number of small parts called cells. And fifth one is USB means dash, and the options are uniform service book, universal serial bus, third one is universal straight bus, and the last one is uniform serial bus. And the right answer is USB means universal serial bus. So now we will learn about fill in the blank in lesson number 8, and the first one is storage capacity of floppy disk is dash, and the right answer is storage capacity of floppy disk is 1.44 MB. And second one is storage capacity of compact disk is dash, and the right answer is storage capacity of compact disk is 700 MB. And third one is dash memory unit is usually used to measure the storage capacity of hard disk, and the right answer is gigabyte or GB memory unit is usually used to measure the storage capacity of hard disk. Fourth one is ROM stand for, and the right answer is ROM stand for read-only memory. And fifth one is dash computer port is used to attach pen drive, and the right answer is USB computer port is used to attach pen drive. So now we will learn about short answer type questions. So first question is what is memory? Write down two main categories of memories, and the answer is any medium that has the capacity to store data is called memory. Memory is divided into many smaller parts called cell. Memory used to store data and instruction. The two main categories of memories are, the first one is primary memory and the second one is secondary memory. And second question is write the name of any 4 secondary memory devices, and the answer is the name of the secondary memory are as follows. The first one is hard disk, second one is external hard disk, third one is floppy disk, fourth one is magnetic tape, fifth one is compact disk, sixth one is digital video disk, seventh one is pen drive, eighth one is memory card. And third question is what is memory card, and the answer is memory card is a portable secondary. Its memory is also called a flash memory card. These cards are commonly used in mobile, digital camera, MP3 player, etc. Memory cards are usually used to store picture, movie, song, and other data. Fourth one is write a short note on pen drive. The pen drive is a portable secondary memory. It is a USB-based memory device. It is used to transfer data from one computer to another. It is very small in size and its speed is faster. They also have higher storage capacity. So now we will learn about long answer type question in lesson number 8. And the first question is, write a note on primary memory. So primary memory is also called main memory or internal memory. The CPU has a direct access to this memory. Microconductors, which are very fast, and special types of electronic circuit are used to make this memory. These memories are also called semiconductor memories. These memories have low storage capacity. There are two types of primary memory. The first one is RAM. RAM stands for random access memory. This memory only stores those data and instructions that the computer is working on. And second one is ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. This memory stores the instructions to start the computer. And second question is, what is HDD? Explain. And the answer is HDD stands for hard disk drive. This is the most commonly used secondary memory. The stored data remains in this memory even after the computer is turned off. Its speed is slower than primary memory. A hard disk consists of one or more metal plates called platters. These plates are coated with a layer of metal oxide to store data. These plates rotate at a speed of 5400 to 7200 RPM rotation per minute. So hard disks have a high capacity to store data. Its storage capacity is usually measured in gigabytes. And third question is, what is secondary memory? Explain any one secondary memory device. So secondary memory is also called external memory or physical memory or auxiliary memory. The stored data remains in this memory even after the computer is turned off. So hard disk drive, optical storage device, optical storage disk, floppy disk, etc. are examples of secondary memory devices. So the first secondary memory device are hard disk drive. A hard disk consists of one or more metal plates called platter. These plates are coated with a layer of metal oxide to store data. These plates rotate at a speed of 5400 to 72 rotations per minute. Hard disks have a high capacity to store data. A storage capacity is usually measured in gigabytes. The first question is, write precaution that we must follow while using a CD or DVD. So following precautions should be taken when using CD or DVD. The first one is, the CD or DVD should be kept in the cover. Second one is, the bright side of the CD or DVD should not be touched. Third one is, the bright side of the CD or DVD should not be written with pen or pencil. Fourth one is, do not bend CD or DVD. Fifth one is, a soft cloth should be used to clean the CD or DVD. And the fifth question is, what is external hard disk drive? Write its advantages. And the answer is, external hard disk is a secondary memory. It is a portable type of secondary memory which can be easily moved from one place to another. This is a USB based memory device. It has a very high storage capacity. It is commonly used to back up data. Once the data is backed up, it can be removed from the computer and stored in a safe place. So student, if you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get all notification of more video like this. Thank you.